So welcome back. We are in a this video is about how to construct a tree. Uh, I don't think any of us has a proper notes on this. We just do it. I mean, basically, we don't have a proper notes for it. But I would like to highlight the last year's question. Sorry, this is 2018 to 2019. Yes, last year's question. Um, you will find that if you look at the passive question, the the in order for you to build a binary tree, most of the time we will ask you to build based on pre-order and in order. There is a reason behind it. So what is the reason? If we give you pre-order and in order, a unique tree will be created. Basically, only one tree can be generated if the sequence of pre-order and in order is given. However, if we give you a different set of series, for example, if we give you pre-order and post-order, there could be more than one tree generated based on the two sequence of traversal that we provided. Okay, let's look at the example. So let's say we give you a two sequence of traversal. So we have a pre-order, which is ABC. Okay, this is a classic example. And then we have post-order, which is CBA. So if we give you these two, you can have one tree that looks like this. So if we are doing pre-order A, B, C, and then if it's post-order, we check the children first, C, B, A. Or this. So if we, okay, A, B, C, and then post-order is C, B, A. So if we give you these two for a arbitrary tree, basically a tree that is not sorted, then you can have a multiple options to construct the tree. So there is no way we can ensure the uniqueness of the tree that will be constructed. That is why in the examination, if not just last year's paper, including a few years before as well, we will always give pre-order and in order if we want you to generate a unique tree. So now let's go back here, how to generate a tree. Given the pre-order is best of luck, sorry about that, and given the in order is like this. So how can we construct the binary tree? So given pre-order and in order, so if we go back to the previous video, pre-order always start with the root. So B is actually the root. Okay? So this is root and this must be root. Because this is root, this is actually the left subtree of B. And this is the right subtree of B. Since we know what is the root already, so we can just draw B is the root. And we know there is a left and there is a right. But who is positioned at where, we didn't know yet. How should we proceed? Because we know what is in the left subtree. So we know this one is also up until here. Must belong to the left. So it is T, S, E, F, O, L. So what we're going to do with this information, because this is in order, we cannot depend solely on this. We have to go back to pre-order, B is followed with E. Basically, it means this E is actually the root of the next subtree. And we do E, and we did this already. How to slash this? Okay. So this is E, and then we have S. S, and then we have T. Right. From in this current position, stop for a moment. Remember, in order is a rainfall. Yeah? Our 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 reminder. This is about rainfall. This is about preschool activity, which is a what was it? Finger tracing. So because this is a rainfall, we know the leftmost one, the leftmost for in order must belong to the left. So we don't have any more on the left. So what happened is we have to find where FOL is situated in here. Why only FOL? Because we know the left subtree of B only left with FOL. So in order left is FOL, and the pre-order left is OFL. Which one is which? So we know that OFL or FOL must belong on the right side of E. How do we know that? Because when we are in pre-order, we are using the preschool hand tracing, BEST, and then when we are doing in order, we are using the rainfall. So T already fall, S already fall, E already fall. So whoever on the left of E onward, from this side to the left, cannot be uh, cannot be them anymore. It has to be on the right side of the E. So we can draw this like this. It has to be have something, and then that something can have something, and it can have something. Why do we know that? Okay, because this is rainfall. Okay, when E is fall, whatever happened on this side already been read, TSE. This, so who actually situated here, who actually situated here, and who situated here. Now, we go back to the pre-order. When we do pre-order, we have the root first. O, and then we have F, and then we have L. Let's check. If we are using in order, we will have a rainfall. So we have F, O, L. So that settle the left subtree of B. Now let's do the right subtree. So we have a pre-order sequence UCK, and the in-order sequence is UKC. From pre-order, we know hand tracing, so U is here. So we did the the U. Now what's left is C and K. So is C on the left or is K on the left? Right. The good thing about this pre-order is we have the hand tracing. So we know after U, the C need to come first because we are doing the hand tracing approach. Now the question is where K is positioned. So K could be the left and K could be the right because they are the very last. Now we look at the in order rainfall. In the rainfall, the K come before C. So in another word, it has to be the left side of the C. So that we have a complete tree construction. You probably want to redo the tree construction by your own, and then it will take some practice to construct the tree yourself. So that's it about the constructing a tree. Um, then after this, in the next video, um, we will go to the binary search tree.